Hey guys, what's up? This is a very quick video on how to make your own, I guess you could call it race fuel, but mostly just premium. So, as you know, you go to the gas station, you see premium, unleaded, like 91 octane. Now I run high octane in all of my engines, including this little one here who's cooling down after me running the crap out of it a few minutes ago. All you gotta do is you gotta get yourself some octane booster. This is the brand I go with because it's the cheapest. I also go with STP, both the same pretty much. And you'll want to look on the thing here. It says treats up to 15 gallons of gasoline. So, and it is 10 ounces. So what you got to do is, I'm not sure how much that raises the octane, but I always get big old 5-gallon thing full of regular unleaded 87 octane gas. And what I do is use my little calculator and say 10 divided by 3. I'm not sure what it is right now because I'm not good at math, but basically you just take your little measuring cup here, which has that you got from the dollar store, that you have ounces on the other side, and you pour however much a third of this container is. And it may differ because you may have a different brand of octane booster and it just might be different. That's okay, you just got to do the same steps. So find out what a third of this is. Pour a third into 1 gallon, a third into your 5 gallons of gas, and then you got premium. And then you can just use it for your 2 strokes or your 4 strokes or whatever. If you're using it for 2 strokes, I even did this with premium pump gas. I put a half an ounce of this to a gallon, to each gallon of 2-stroke fuel. It just kind of gives a little bit of extra lubrication if you're running if you're not running that much oil in your 2-stroke. So there you go. Quick video on how to do that. A while back I made a video on how to make this crap. Please don't do it. I called it redneck race fuel. Just do me a favor and don't do it. As I said in the video, it's methanol, diesel, gasoline, and nitromethane RC fuel. And it is, and it's bad. Do not run it in any engine. I ran it through my motorized bike and it took it. I only wanted to see what it would do. It did not give me any extra horsepower. Didn't do anything for me. Just don't run this crap. I gotta find somewhere where I could dump it because it's bad. So, this is a lot cheaper than buying premium at the pump. Premium at the pump where I live is about $3.38 to $3.50 in the summertime. And this little guy will cost you about $5 at any kind of hardware store or Walmart, and it'll last you for 15 gallons. It's just a lot cheaper. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel or want to support the channel, please subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful day.